More homeowners need to be hearing this, but not every roof needs a full replacement. A nasty storm brought a tree limb down on this Howard County garage, and there were more storms coming later in the week. The homeowner gave RoofRite a call, and we were able to get people out on site within 32 hours. Now here's the honest truth. The rest of this roof was totally fine. We replaced the damaged decking, installed ice and water shield, and we matched the existing shingles with CertainTeed Landmark in burnt sienna. And that's all we needed to do. More homeowners need to be hearing this, but not every roof needs a full replacement. Sometimes the right answer is just doing the repair the right way. You can see the full project article along with before, during, and after pictures over on roofrite.com.